We have a new project to design that is basically based on the an irrigation system which consists of 22 different valves, and these valves are supposed to be operated using the provided data, and that data is already stored in the Excel sheet. And also it is required to either use the uh, data saved in the Excel, or we can manually control each wall through the front panel. Okay, so in this project, there is a deep well from which we need to extract the water. So this water will be gathered in this supply tank. This tank will be filled, and after that, from this tank the water will be supplied using this pump to the different areas, different walls, and these walls should be operated manually or automatically depending upon the user selection. So if user selected manual, so the manual, we can control these walls from these boolean controls, or if we set it to the auto, then auto will be this will take the scheduling of walls and water from the Excel sheet. So we have an Excel sheet which consists of the scheduling of water for the whole year starting from the January. So we have a weekly schedules. For instance, this is the January schedule. So for each month we are having a schedule, and there are many sub pages of this Excel sheet. So this is for the whole year. So we need to extract each sheet, the data from the each sheet, and we need to operate our irrigation system according to the provided values, such as liters per minute given for each valves. These are the number of valves you can see from L1, L2, L3. These are the valves names, right, up to VE3. So we have a different naming nomenclature for the valves. And then we have liters per minute. These are the different values given, and we need to extract those values. You can see these values are changing, so we need to extract these values, and we need to operate these according to the given data. So for instance, we have a weekly schedule, let's say starting from the Sunday. For the valve L1, we need to operate it for 3 minutes, and then L2 is 0, right, on Sunday. Then on Sunday L3 is 3. So these are the number of minutes needed to operate these valves. So we need to extract these data from the file, the weekly data, and then we need to operate it one by one each day. Let's say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and so on. Then after this we need to move on to the next file. So this is all about this project. So let me show you that how this is working. So let me run this. So when I run this, so it is basically first of all we need to fill the main tank. So when I click this, okay, so basically the simulation is set to auto, so they are just operating. So let me stop this, and first of all I need to run it again. So let me do it. Okay, so first of all we need to fill this tank. So the filling the main tank. So the water is filling it was already, the water was already available. So you can increase the speed. You can set it to 5, so this will speed up and will fill up the water. So the main tank is full, we will say okay. After this, when the main tank is filled, we need to uh, we need to first of all turn on the motor. Right, the motor is running, then we need to open the valve. Now the valve is already open, right? So the water will go towards the each valve unless we press this button. Now here water is already available at different areas. Now you can press, let's say if we are interested to supply manually, then we need to just press these buttons, boolean. You can see the respective valves are opening. Let's say this is T4, so this T4 is running, right? So this way we can manually control these valves and supply the water, or we can start an auto simulation. So let me click this auto. So when this is pressed, so it is filling the supplying the water. So for the January 1 to 6, we have a 7 days. So we are simulating the Monday. So on Monday, these are respective our areas that need to be supplied. Then Tuesday, then Wednesday. So this simulation is running fast. Thursday, and then Friday will appear. So on Friday, these areas need to be supplied the water. Then we have a Saturday, and then again Sunday. So this is the next week. We have a 7 to 13. Again Monday. So this will go on until either we press the stop button or we can force stop this. So let me just show you the block diagram of this. So it's bit complex. It's bit complex. uh, we have a tank filling process, then we have a reading the files, the Excel sheets. So this code is basically used to read the Excel sheet. So we are extracting the file, then giving it to this. We have a 2D array, then we are extracting the respective data, and that data is written to this array and array 3 we have. Then array contains the number of so this contains basically the so this is the local variable. It is coming from the Excel sheet, the data we are writing it, and then we are running according to the number of balls they need to operate. So this will kept on running until you press the stop button, right? So this is all about this irrigation system. I hope you will like it.